So first order of the day, deal with that, and then get up here and deal with that. So we are doing today, we've got dashboard mould for the masters to repair, and some chip out on the corners, so I've filled those with some gel coat with some wax additive in, sand them off, clean them up. So here we are. What's that? There we go. So we're on the dash then, so I've just sanded these edges back, gave them a tiny bit of a radius because I'm sure that's what keeps fracturing it. Is that the right word? Maybe not. So we've got a bit on here. This will all become apparent when we start making it and building it back up. Just need to clean it up really, get rid of all these bits of gel coat at the top here. There's my hand, just there. Stuff just gets stuck to it, and then yeah, it just gets a bit of a faff. So just clean this bit up and put it on a time lapse. So I've done 320 over all this. So, I mean, I didn't really mean to go this far, but there's some bits and pieces that looked a bit anyhow. A little bit there. I'll get that off in a minute. So this is normally laid up carbon on this piece here. The rest of it's just black. You'll see that. I don't think I've done a video on this, but we will today. So I just need to get all these wet flatted, polished, so it's all nice and shiny, and then we'll start waxing it up again. But it's looking better, a lot better. Right, time for waxing then. So I think because we've washed it and we've polished it and we've done various other bits and pieces, we'll go for the full 5 waxes and then start again. Hopefully we can get that done today and get some gel coat in it. That'd be nice.
Wax on, right hand. Wax off, left hand.
There were no moon. There were no monsters. Still I'm chasing balloons.
Wax off. Wax on, right hand. Wax off.
We were living in
Wax
castles
on, right hand.
as 2 space astronauts.
Wax off.
It was us against dragons, and together we fought.
Wax on, right hand.
We were hunting for treasures, flying
Wax
ships
off.
to the moon. We were planning adventures
Wax on,
like
right hand.
the guys in cartoons. There were no
Wax off.
monsters. There were no moon. There were no monsters.
We're about there, wax wise. I think I'll put the end caps on, both ends. Where's it gone? There it is. I've done that other end. We'll pop this end on here, bolt it up, then when we wax it we'll get a bit of wax joint, get some wax in that edge so all the resin and gel coat and stuff don't go in there. Okay, that's what we do next.
Still I'm chasing balloons. We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time.
Right, battery went flat on the camera and I fell down the stairs. There we go. Didn't get to film gel coating, but just gel coating is like brushing paint. So tomorrow when this is all cured off, we'll get these little tiny specks, just ping them off. Then we'll cut some carbon to lay on that black bit and get making that. Gel coat's gone off, so we can crack on with that in a minute. Just going to trim the carbon. Saw this little trick the other day, can't remember the guy's name, I'll find it and put it up on the screen. But you put a bit of this tissue, it's really, well, veil, people call it different things. So just used a bit of the spray tack, run it across there. That should stop the fraying, but also when you lay up it will just run in with the rest of the resin. This sticky tape they use doesn't flow. Right, let's cut it. So and carbon's cut. That bit goes there. This bit goes here. Fiberglass all kind of shredded and ripped and in a mess. So without further ado, let's begin.
Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars. But the dark gets
There we go, 2.5 hours in. Obviously carboning that bit, that bit, that bit. Just have to fingers crossed that they've got no air pockets. I normally end up with air pockets here, a bit along there, sometimes along this edge here. Who knows? Whatever, we'll deal with it. We'll leave that overnight, pull that in the morning.
You'll always be my night sky.
Well, that popped out not too bad. These edges are definitely better. Getting minimal bleed through since we've repaired that. Got a tiny air hole there, we'll fix that, and another one just there. Other than that, pretty good. Happy with that. That'll clean up. Get that trimmed and painted.
I just stay